This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off automatic media downloads on the Telegram app. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Telegram here. I have the Telegram app opened up now. To turn on or off automatic media downloads in Telegram, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the Settings dialog box, you want to go down to where it says Advanced and click on Advanced. And then right in this area right here, Automatic Media Downloads, there's 3 different categories here: in private chats, in groups, or in channels. You can adjust the settings in any one of those. Say that I wanted to enable or disable in private chats. I'm going to click on in private chats. And then right up here, automatic downloads. Do I want photos to automatically be downloaded? As you can see, photos and files are both toggled on. If I wanted to turn them off, I would toggle them off. If I wanted them on, I would toggle them on. Down below that, you have autoplay. Do you want videos or GIFs to be autoplayed? You'd have to choose on that. And if you change anything, you go down to the bottom and you click on Save. And then if I wanted to do the same thing for in groups or in channels, I'd click on it and I could do the same thing. That is how to enable or disable automatic media downloads in Telegram. Thanks for watching.